بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Have you ever read a verse from the Quran and wondered, what does this verse mean to me in this day and age? Do you want to stay connected to the Book of Allah and learn how to understand and apply the verses of the Quran in your daily life? Do you want to learn, love, and live the Quran? If you answered yes to any of those questions, then register for Jannah Institute's Learn, Love, and Live the Quran course today. Dr. Haifa Yunus, the founder of Jannah Institute, will not only teach us the interpretation of the Quran, but also practical life skills to implement these lessons in our daily life. Allah even asks us this question in the Holy Quran, chapter Muhammad. Then do they not reflect upon the Quran, or are there locks upon their hearts? Jannah Institute offers classes each semester, both online and on-site. For more questions and details, visit our website www.jannahinstitute.com and register today.